So this is a 6-inch ham and turkey sub from Subway with all of the vegetables on it except for jalapeno. I did not get any cheese or any sauce, and I originally got it double toasted. This is going to be my lunch tomorrow. I put a little bit of Dijon mustard on there. And this bread was getting pretty soggy, but I made it really crispy by putting it in the air fryer. And I have some beets in here. It says 3 slices is 15 calories. I have about 12 slices here, so that's about 60 or 70 calories worth of beets. Crunched up in this bag right here, I'm going to put this right on my Subway. This is about 5 black bean chips, and I like this brand. Food Should Taste Good black bean multigrain chips. And the count on these is 10 chips is 130 calories, so I'm only having 5 chips. What you're about to see me attempt is hard-boiled eggs in the air fryer. I have never done this before. I cook them on 270 degrees for 15 minutes, and it says to take them out and put them in an ice bath. So I have the eggs in an ice bath. I'm going to take for work tomorrow 2 slices of Aunt Millie's Live Light whole grain bread at 40 calories a slice. And I'm going to cut this tomorrow at work, this avocado. I'm going to do about 1/3 of it, and I'll show you the rest in a few minutes. So my breakfast and lunch is ready to go for tomorrow. All right, it's 8 a.m. and I am getting hungry. So time to see if those hard-boiled eggs that I made last night turned out. So far, so good. I'm impressed. Peeling pretty easy. That was pretty easy. I like to wash it off. I mean, that turned out quite well indeed. I spread it on my bread, my toast. Now I'm going to put on some Frank's Red Hot Buffalo sauce. Some everything bagel seasoning. I'm going to eat a peach Activia yogurt at 90 calories. And I'm also going to drink a sparkling ice strawberry watermelon pop. Beautiful. This is so good. This could not be better. Oh my gosh, darn it. That breakfast was so freaking amazing. You can eat this now, or you can save it for later, or not eat it at all. I'm gonna eat it right now. Delicious. It's about 9:15 a.m. and it's time for a little bit of coffee, but I'm gonna have decaf today. This is not a brand I normally get, but I have this right now. Just wanted to try it. I don't love it. With a whole tablespoon of Coffee Mate creamer. Isn't this cup cute? My friend got me this. LaCroix key lime sparkling water. I air fried this last night to get it nice and crispy. That's lunch right there. I'm so tired. $70 calories. I have good news. It is a beautiful day out, and all of our hard work this week has paid off because I get to enjoy the day since everything is already meal prepped for dinner and even meal prepped for lunch tomorrow. All right, so it's dinner time and I'm ready to eat, and I had a couple different choices for dinner, and I went with my leftover healthy marzetti with vegetables, my healthy garlic bread, and I get a little salad under there. And I also have leftover not so healthy marzetti that I made for the family the same night I had mine, so that's what my man's gonna be eating tonight. I always eat the cold stuff first, and then I just heat everything up in the same container, and then we're gonna go take a nice walk. The beauty of having some things meal prepped. If you didn't watch the video of me making the healthy marzetti, I'll try to remember to link it below. This, I am gonna have 1 cup of almond milk at 30 calories a cup. I always serve it over ice. And if I want anything more than that, I'm gonna have ice water. That's gonna be it. Oh, I am gonna put some Parmesan cheese on this. Got to have the cheese. This salad just has tomato, cheese, bacon bits. Looks like I put some spices in there when I made it. I'm gonna eat it with 2 tablespoons of Hidden Valley light ranch dressing at 60 calories. This meal that I'm gonna eat tonight on its own is probably not gonna do it for me, so I'm probably gonna add just a little bit of lettuce to this salad, and I'm gonna drink a nice big glass of water before I even eat. I added 1 ounce of Colby cheese at 110 calories, some more lettuce to my salad, and I'm gonna put some bacon buds on there. Last thing I need to do tonight is drink my Metamucil like I always do at night. Keeps you full, keeps you from snacking, and gets some extra water and fiber in. So I have Metamucil 4-in-1 fiber, sugar-free, and the measurements are 2 rounded teaspoons is 30 calories, but I use 3 teaspoons. You do the math. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned to see what's on the menu tomorrow. Good night.
I'm not your baby girl. I'm gonna